असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, this is Bivika. In this session, we'll discuss about Standard 10, Chapter 6, Exercise 6.1, Question number 4. Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they are an arithmetic progression, find the common difference D and write next three terms. So we already know that arithmetic progression, what it is. If the difference is equal, the list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression. If the difference is not equal, the list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression. If it is an arithmetic progression, we can easily to write the successive terms by adding the fixed number. That means difference, right? Okay, let us go. To form or to make this list of numbers, to give the solution, we'll make this type of table. It is very useful to us. It gives the clear information and a clear clarity of and differences and if arithmetic progression or not, and you can write the next three terms by using this type of table. Okay, now what is given? Just write there 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Right, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8 and 16. So this is A1, you know that, A2, A3, A4. Find the difference A2 minus A1. Why do we find? So why are you finding this A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3? If the differences are equal, then we can say that it is arithmetic progression. If the differences are not equal, we could say that it is not arithmetic progression. If it is not arithmetic progression, we need not to be write the next three terms. Okay. Yes. Now, A2 minus A1, 4 minus 2, it is equals to 2. Very good. A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4, that equals to 4. A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8, that equals to 8. What could be? Observe here. So the difference is not same. 2, 4, 8. What do we write now? D is not equal. Here D is not equal. So what should we write? What could be right? And it is not a arithmetic progression. It is not AP, arithmetic progression. If it is not arithmetic progression, could you write the next three terms? No. That's it. This is the way of finding the difference and whether it is AP or arithmetic progression or not, and writing the next three terms. We'll go for the next one. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. A1, A2, A3, A4. Right. First one, find the difference by using the given terms of the list. A2 minus A1, 5 by 2 minus 2. If there is no denominator, if there is no denominator, it is a 1, you know. LCM is 2. 2 to 1 time, 5 minus 2 times 2 to the 4. We get 1 by 2. We'll go for that. A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2. Is there any denominator here under 3? No, there is a 1. If there is where there is no denominator, there must be 1 is denominator. So the LCM is 2. 2 times 2 into 3 6, minus 2 to 1 time, 1 into 5 5. is equals to 1 by 2 is the difference here, and a minus a4 minus a3. a4 is 7 by 2 minus 3, so denominator is 1, LCM is 2, so 2, 1 time 1 into 7, 7, minus 2 times 2 into 3, 6, 1 by 2. Yes. When we observe the differences of these three cases, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes, D is equal, and they form arithmetic progression. Here, D is equal, so they form arithmetic progression. So this list of numbers forms arithmetic progression. What is the difference? 1 by 2. So to write the next three terms, what should we do now? How to write? How could you write the next three terms? See, 7 by 2. To write the next three terms, we just add the difference is 1 by 2. Right? This is 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2. That is the first term. 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 10 by 2 equals to 5. 4 by 2, 8 by 4, 8 by 2 is equals to 4. So three terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. So you can write, we could write by finding the difference, the successive terms of the given arithmetic progression. Right? We'll go for the next one. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. The same thing. You just subtract, finding the difference in three cases. If the difference is equal, it is not. It is forms an AP, and if it is not equal, we could write it is not a arithmetic progression. If it is not arithmetic progression, no need to write three terms. If it is a progression, we just add the difference to write the next terms. That's it.